The acquisition of Australian investment app Spaceship by eToro marks a major strategic move, primarily aimed at expanding eToro's offering in the Australian market and strengthening its long-term savings proposition globally. Spaceship, known for its superannuation products under Spaceship Super and managed investment portfolios under Spaceship Voyager, will continue to operate under its own brand. The key future plan involves deep integration between the two platforms. eToro users will gradually gain access to Spaceship's superannuation and managed funds directly through the eToro app. This means eToro is stepping into the long-term savings and pension space, diversifying beyond its traditional trading and investing platform. Conversely, Spaceship customers are expected to eventually benefit from access to eToro's multi-asset platform, which includes a wide range of equities, ETFs, commodities, and cryptoassets, alongside eToro's investment tools and educational resources. This creates a more comprehensive wealth-building experience for both customer bases. The core goal is to combine Spaceship's focus on long-term savings and superannuation with eToro's diverse multi-asset trading platform. This unified approach aims to support users throughout their entire financial journey, from daily trading to retirement savings, all within a more integrated ecosystem. This move solidifies eToro's commitment to the Australian market and hints at a global strategy to incorporate long-term savings products into its international offering. The ultimate future is a highly localized and comprehensive investment platform where short-term trading and long-term saving coexist seamlessly.